Hello and welcome. Today in this video I'm going to talk about staging environment and development environment and why you use staging or development environment to build WordPress websites. WP Engine makes it really simple and easy to create staging or development environments to test your website. So first of all, let's talk about some details about staging and development. So here you can see some information. To put it simply, a staging site is a clone of your live websites. It enables you to test any changes or major new features that you plan to implement in a secure environment. Developers often use staging sites as a testing ground in order to prevent errors occurring on live websites, thus avoiding the issues and or downtime that might otherwise result. Now, staging sites can be set up using a variety of methods, and in WP Engine, it's very simple and easy. I will show you how you can create staging sites using WP Engine dashboard. So these type of sites aren't meant to be accessed by public. If you use your staging site correctly, your main site's visitors should never have a deal with any issues that pop up behind the scenes, such as your site breaking due to changes in its code. Additionally, staging sites shouldn't be picked up by Google or other search engines if you do things right. So then you can see some more information about development websites, staging website, and production website. And let's talk about benefits of staging site. So it doesn't take much to sell the benefits of staging sites, and which enables you to produce better websites, provides you better opportunity to catch errors and bugs without putting your site at risk, and are usually relatively simple to set up and can be set up locally or online depending on your preferences. So if you are using WP Engine, log into your WP Engine account, go to sites and click on your site name. So here you can see currently I have a production environment. Now if I want to add an stage add I want to add staging environment, I will have to click this add staging option. And now I can add a staging environment. Now I have multiple options. I can create new environment, I can copy from template, or I can copy from existing. So the better option is copy from existing. I already have a website at WP Engine, so I will choose this option. Then I need to name this environment such as TCAP3 or anything, or copy. After naming it, I have this option, select an environment to copy from. Now I can copy from this production environment, and then you can see select a backup to use. So I can use latest backup. Now I will have to click on this create environment button, and it will take only few seconds or maybe a minute or two to create a staging environment for me. Then I can start testing anything on this staging environment. So now here you can see this message, your environment is currently being built and will be available shortly. An email will be sent to you when it is ready. Or I can open this link in a new tab. So currently I can see this error message, but within few minutes this environment will be ready. Thank you very much for watching this video.